Trying to hide a gift or just declutter your digital life? This year, Amazon has made some massive changes to privacy, and the old archive tricks don't work the way they used to. And I'm showing you the only ways left to keep your orders secret from prying eyes. And first, let's address the elephant in the room. The archive button is gone. Amazon has phased out this feature for most personal accounts this year. If you share a login with a spouse or roommate, they will see orders on the main screen. You can no longer just click and hide. To truly keep things private now, you have to move the order to a different profile entirely. And the only 100% effective way to hide orders is Amazon Household. If you have Prime, go to Account Settings, Manage your household. You can add another adult for free. They get their own login, own password, and most importantly, their own private order history. If you're buying a surprise, buy it on your secondary profile. Your main account won't show a trace of it. And even if they can't see the other, recommended for you ads can still spoil the surprise. Go to Account and Lists, and then Browsing History. Hit Remove from View on the items you search for. In this year, you can also toggle the Turn Off Browsing History on or off entirely. And this stops Amazon from showing your secret searches on the home screen or in those because you viewed emails. And that's the reality of Amazon privacy this year. It's not as easy as it used to be, but with a separate profile, you're still safe. So stay safe indeed. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.